Hey guys, so tonight we're going to try to make pumpkin curry, actually chicken pumpkin curry. So we did takeout the other night, and our typical takeout food for us is Thai food because it's something I'm just kind of dabbling in a little bit as far as reaching or experimenting on different things to make. And so Nick had pumpkin curry. Carson thought maybe he'd give it a shot and see if he liked it, and he loved it. So when I asked what I should make for dinner tonight on Saturday, they're like, hey, try to make pumpkin curry. So here we are. First off, can't find any pumpkins anywhere. So I did confirm that I could use butternut squash as an alternative. So I've been in the store like 3 times in the last 2 days. So I got a butternut squash today. However, when I was at Costco, I found this butternut squash that's already cubed up, ready to go, peeled. So I'm actually gonna make it with this one. I'm gonna save this for a different recipe that I wanna try to make. So to do our curry, the first thing I'm gonna do is just saute my chicken. I've cut it up, and we've talked about, like we made pad thai, how you slice the chicken really thin, get it in bite-sized pieces, and I'm just gonna saute it, not in a wok tonight. I'm gonna saute it in a stock pot, pull that chicken out, and then I'm gonna start adding my aromatics, like my onions, and the garlic. I'll saute those, and then I'll start adding some of the vegetables. So I just got some green beans here, a few carrots, 1 red pepper, and then I'm gonna add things like red curry paste and coconut milk and vegetable stock, and I don't know, I think, and my ginger, and then I'm gonna put this all together, and we'll finish it off with a little bit of cilantro on top. I'm cooking my rice right now, which I've shown this to you guys before. I prefer brown rice, so I just buy this boil in a bag, and each bag makes 2 cups of cooked rice. So it's really easy to make, and all is in it is rice. So it's good for you too, not overly processed. So we'll come back, I guess, as I'm trying to pull it all together and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, we're back. So I have about a cup of cooked rice here. And if you look at the curry, I'm actually kind of surprised because I thought it would be more like, I don't know, I guess I thought all the colors and everything would have come from the pumpkin or from the squash, but it all comes really from the curry paste. And there's very little of it that comes from the squash itself. And so we'll see what Carson and Nick think about it. They may feel like it's got way too many vegetables in it, but I almost think I can eat it with no rice and almost have it as a soup. So I'm just gonna ladle this curry right over the top. One of the comments that somebody had posted was, as good as it is, it's way better the next day. So maybe it's like chili, like it's much better the next day. So give it a shot. I hope you guys like it.